have owned this machine for 6.5 years. Yes, 6.5 years, and we have done a lot of laundry in that time. On average, once a day for the entire time that we've owned it, or up to 2 to 3 times per day, dependent on how much laundry we have. There have been a few times when this machine has gone a few months without operating. When we rebuilt the fifth wheel, it was out of the RV and we did not use it for that time period. When we visit family, sometimes we go a few weeks without using our machine because we're using their machine. However, because sometimes we'll run this machine up to 4 times per day doing sheets and towels and clothes, we can say on average this machine has run almost every day we've owned it. The initial buy-in cost for this unit, including all the plumbing fixtures to install it, was $1,300. If you break that down, that's $16.66 per week to operate this machine. Now, there are some laundromats where you can do a week's worth of laundry for less than $16.66. We do frequent tourist destinations, though, for our jobs, and laundry costs can fluctuate greatly. We've seen anywhere from $5 a week to do our laundry up to $18 a week. The best part about this machine, though, has been the convenience, regardless of the cost, because we can put laundry in the morning before we go to work and come home to clean clothes at the end of the day. All we have to do is pull them out and fold them. They have not come out with a laundry machine that will fold those clothes for you yet, unfortunately. Now, in the time that we've owned this machine, we've only had 2 issues with it. The first was about a year into owning the machine, and it was with the dryer cycle. We called Splendid customer support, and they were really great. They let us know about the maintenance cycle, where you start on cycle 11, fill the tub, start it over, fill again, and then shift it to 2 and let it run its course. This helps to clean out the drum and any excess lint. And we've done that about once a month since then and had no issues up until a few months ago. Now we're having another issue with the dryer cycle. It is throwing a fault code, the F13 fault code. We called Splendid again and they walked us through how to clean out the vent in the back, and there was a lot of lint trapped in there and creating a blockage. We've cleaned that out, ran the maintenance cycle again, and it was working really great up until about a week ago, where it's starting to do the same thing. Now, we think that there are a few more issues other than lint buildup going on, and we either have to figure out how to fix those issues, or we're going to look into getting another machine. We're not sure yet.